Hey, good evening. Yeah, all this comes in that context of red states across the country, including Oklahoma, trying to prepare themselves for what appears to be the likelihood that the U.S. Supreme Court this summer will either overturn the constitutional right to an abortion or do something like back up where states can start banning abortion to as early as 15 weeks.
So this is an opportunity to save more Oklahomans. I hope that we see a good decision out of the U.S. Supreme Court, but we can't wait around for that.
The Senate Republican leader, Greg Treat, running most of the bills today. They all passed on party lines. He says they prepare the state for whatever the Supreme Court decides to do with this ultimate goal.
We need to save unborn life. This bill does that, and it is my desire that we continue to push it as far as we possibly can.
One other major bill today was the one by Senator Julie Daniels. It would ban abortions when there's a fetal heartbeat as early as around 6 weeks, but it was modeled after that controversial Texas law that lets individuals enforce it instead of the state. People could sue anyone who performed or abetted an abortion, including, for instance, somebody who knew they were driving a woman to an abortion. Many legal experts say these bills are designed to avoid the typical ways people challenge laws in court. Democratic Senator Carrie Hicks says these bills are concerning.
You know, I'm terrified for the future of our state and for the safety and security of women. We know that as we continue to erode access to medical services, the likelihood for more dangerous potential situations increases.
And among those other bills that passed today out of committee, there was one that would put it up to a vote of the people whether to put an anti-abortion amendment into the state constitution. There was another one that would put in place an abortion ban even earlier than a fetal heartbeat, that fetal heartbeat line. These will have to pass the full Senate, then they go over to the House side.